Hey everyone, Mr. Magic here. Today I'm going to be explaining our new 98% naturally derived Magic Laundry Soaker and In-Wash Boosters and why they are different to other products you may have used before. Unlike many stain removers out there, our new Magic Laundry Soaker and In-Wash Boosters don't contain bleach, sodium percarbonate, hydrogen peroxide. Instead, each of our new products are formulated with naturally derived enzyme technology that's designed to tackle specific stains at the source. Grass stains, blood, food, sweat, they're all made of completely different molecules, which means they all need a different way of being broken down. That's where enzymes come in. Did you know that your digestive system has lots of enzymes to enable your food to be broken down, to be absorbed into your body? Cleaning enzymes work in a very similar way. Instead of breaking down the food, they break the stains down into smaller parts. So when you wash a machine, they can be washed away. The clever part is that each enzyme has its own specialty. So that's exactly why we've created different stain removers for different stains. One designed for food and grass stains, one targets sweat and odour, and one specialises in breaking down food oils. Each one comes in this special chamber bottle where you've got dose control. Unscrew the cap on the small chamber side, squeeze until you get to the dose you're looking for, and then that goes into your machine or into your soaking bowl. Each one is fragrance free, proudly Australian made and owned. And because they come as a liquid, not a powder, they dissolve easily and there's no residue left afterwards. So stain removal's not just about stronger chemicals, it's about smarter science and a little bit of magic.